So this is an example of one of our online registers at Britannia Education Trust that we use as teachers to track which students are accessing the work each day and which students perhaps we need to support them or get in touch with parents and make sure they know how to access the work. So if you want to create one of these for your school, it's fairly straightforward. I've put some instructions that should be linked above or below the video. And the first step is to make a copy of the spreadsheet that has all of those formulas in, and it looks a bit like this. So once you've made a copy, you own this document and it will be in your My Drive. You can always move it if you want. It should by clicking that button up there. But yeah, it's kind of ready. It's set up for the next 2 weeks up to the 22nd of January. But you can always copy and paste some columns to add in another week. And same with rows. If you've got more students, you can copy a few rows and just paste them underneath, or delete rows if you don't need that many. So the first step, to get to the form, first of all, if you click this form button and go to live form, this is what you want to put somewhere where your students can access it. So whether that's on Google Classroom or anything. And this stays the same. So this will be the same form. Doesn't matter if it's a new day. And then you need to put in your students' email addresses along the side. So I'm going to put in my training email address and just show you how it works. So that now, today is Monday the 11th. If I click on here and say, yeah, I'm here. Now, what should happen is that should change almost instantly and show you that I've signed in and the time. And yeah, it gives you the percentage. It works out how many people you've got and divides it. And we've just found it really useful at our trust. So hopefully that's something that you can use. And yeah, I hope that was helpful.